We'll guide you through how to enable autocorrect on a Samsung phone keyboard. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So this feature is really convenient because if you go and make a typo or you make some sort of mistake, it's going to go and be automatically corrected to the word. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and turn this on. I think it's just really convenient and it saves so much time as you don't have to go back to go and change it yourself and go and correct it. So if I go and give you a quick example now, I'll go and open up Notes, but you can open up another document app. Let's go and say you type something by mistake like this. It won't go and autocorrect it. But if I go and type in something like this as well, just as another example, it doesn't autocorrect it. But if I did have that on, it would change it. So we're now going to go and check this again in a moment after enabling the setting. So what you need to do is you need to go and swipe up and you need to go and find the settings app, as you can see here. You can always search for it at the top if you struggle to go and find it. Now, what you need to do is go and scroll down and find the option for general management. As you can see, here it is, and you want to go and tap on it like so. And then what you need to do is you need to go and find the option for Samsung keyboard settings, and you can go and tap there. Then what you can do is you can go and find the option for auto replace. So you can go and tap here and you can then choose the language you want to do it on. Then you can come back. And the next thing we're going to turn on is suggest text corrections as well. I'll go and switch on English UK. It's actually using Grammarly here, which is a great service. Then we can come back. So now that we've gone and switched that on, now if I come back to my notes, just another example, let's say I was trying to go and type in home like so. As you can see, I missed the E out, but it went and corrected it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future with more guides. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.